Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning the basics of the language Kannada. Let us learn a few flowers, animals, birds, and days of the week. First, we will go about learning the names of some flowers in Kannada. Now, what are flowers called in Kannada? They are called hoovugalu. Hoovugalu. The first flower is rose. Rose is gulabi. Repeat that after me. Gulabi. Next, we have lotus. Lotus is Kamala. Let me repeat that. Kamala. Moving on, sunflower. Sunflower is Suryakanti. An example of where this can be used is Haladi Suryakanti, which means yellow sunflower. Let me repeat that. Haladi Suryakanti. Jasmine is Mallige. Mallige. Now let's move on to the next one. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is called Dasavala. Dasavala. An example of this could be Kempu Dasavala. This means red hibiscus. Let me repeat that. Kempu Dasavala. Marigold is Chandu. Repeat after me. Chandu. Up next, we have Champa. Champa is Sampige. Sampige. An example for this is Billy Sampige, which means white champa. Let me repeat that. Billy Sampige. Lastly, we have chrysanthemum, which is Sevantige. Sevantige. Now it's the time to revise what we have just learned. Are you ready to play? Let's start then. Match the following flowers with their Kannada translations. Up first, we have Kamala, Sevantige, and Dasavala. If these were your answers, well done. Up next, we have Mallige, Chandu Hoovu, and Suryakanti. Well, here are the answers. If you got all of them right, then you are on a winning streak. Now we move on to the next topic, animals. Firstly, what are animals called in Kannada? They are called Pranigalu. Pranigalu. Let's get started. Up first we have dog. Dog is Nai. Let me repeat that. Nai. For example, here we have a white dog, so it is called a Bili Nai. Bili Nai. Next, cat. Cat is Pekku. Let me repeat. Pekku. Next, cow. Cow is Hasu. For example, here we have a brown cow, that is Kandu Hasu. Let me repeat. Kandu Hasu. Monkey. Monkey is called Koti or Mangana. So let's repeat both these words for monkey. Koti and Mangana. Moving on, lion. Lion is Simha. Let's repeat that. Simha. Tiger. Tiger is Huli. Huli. Next, bear. Bear is Karadi. Let me repeat that. Karadi. The next animal is elephant. Elephant is Aane. Let me repeat. Aane. Sheep. Sheep is Kuri. Kuri. Up next, goat. Goat is Meke. Let me repeat that. Meke. Horse. Horse is Kudure. Kudure. And lastly, we have camel. Camel is Onte. Let's repeat that. Onte. Yes, it's revision time. Type down the Kannada word for the following animals in the comment section below. Let's see how many will you get right. The first animal is cat. Now, what is cat called in Kannada? If your answer was Bekku, then you are absolutely right. Bekku is the Kannada word for cat. The next animal is bear. Any guesses as to what bear is called in Kannada? Well, if your answer was Karidi, then you are right again. Karidi is the Kannada word for bear. The next animal is horse. Any guesses as to what the answer could be? If your answer was Kudire, then you are maintaining your winning streak. Yes, Kudire is the Kannada word for horse. Goat. Any guesses as to what the answer could be? Yes, Meke. You are absolutely right. Meke is the Kannada word for goat. Now, the last animal is lion. I really hope you get this right as well. If your answer was Simha, then you're absolutely right. Now, moving on to the next topic, birds. What are birds called in Kannada? They are called Pakshigalu. So, let's get started. The first bird is peacock. Peacock is Navilu. Navilu. For example, Vandu Navilu. Vandu Navilu, which translates to one peacock. The second bird is parrot. Parrot is guinea. Guinea. For example, Hasiru guinea. I'll repeat that. Hasiru guinea, which translates to green parrot. The next bird is owl. Owl is goobay. Let me repeat that. Goobay. Pigeon. Pigeon is parivala. Parivala. For example, ಎರಡು ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳು. ಎರಡು ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳು, which translates to two pigeons. Next, eagle. Eagle is haddu. Let me repeat that. Haddu. For example, ಐದು ಹದ್ದುಗಳು. ಐದು ಹದ್ದುಗಳು, which translates to five eagles. Hen. Hen is ಕೋಳಿ. ಕೋಳಿ. For example, ಮೂರು ಕೋಳಿಗಳು. ಮೂರು ಕೋಳಿಗಳು, which translates to three hens. Duck. Duck is ಬಾತುಕೋಳಿ. Let me repeat that. ಬಾತುಕೋಳಿ. The next bird is crow. Crow is kage. Kage. An example for this is kappu kage. Kappu kage. This means black crow. It's revision time. Let's play a quick memory game to revise all the birds we have learned so far. Match the birds with their right Kannada translations. I hope you get all of them right. Up first, we have Navilu, Koli, and Kage. If these were your answers as well, you are absolutely right. Up next, we have Gube, Haddu, and Guinea. If you match them right, then this is how it should look. Now, let's move on to the next topic, days of the week. What are days of the week called in Kannada? They are called Varagalu. Varagalu. Let's get started. Starting with the first day of the week, Sunday. Sunday is Bhanuvara. Bhanuvara. Monday is Somavara. Let me repeat that. Somavara. Tuesday is Mangalavara. Mangalavara. Wednesday is Budhavara. Budhavara. Thursday is Guruvara. Let me repeat that. Guruvara. Friday is Shukravara. Shukravara. And the last day of the week, Saturday, is Shanivara. Shanivara. It's revision time. Let's test your knowledge. A day will be displayed on the screen. Say the Kannada word for it either aloud to yourself or type it down in the comment section below and double check to see if you got them all right. Well, the first day is Monday. Any guesses? If you guess Somavara, then you are absolutely right. Yes, Somavara is the Kannada word for Monday. The second day is Saturday. Any guesses as to what the Kannada word would be? If you guessed Shanivara, you are right again. Yes, Shanivara is the Kannada word for Saturday. Moving on, the third day is Wednesday. Any guesses? If your answer was Budhavara, then there's no way you could be wrong. Yes, Budhavara is the Kannada word for Wednesday. The next day is Friday. If you guessed Shukravara, then you are right again. Shukravara is the Kannada word for Friday. The last day is Tuesday. Any guesses as to what the right word is in Kannada? Well, if you guessed Mangalavara, you are right. Mangalavara is the Kannada word for Tuesday. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and participating. If you'd like to make any requests or share your feedback, do write to us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.